Going to start this in the kitchen. This is purely a sound check. Well, that plus I just want to have some video and some pictures I want to take tonight. Alright, here we go. From the kitchen. We'll start up at the top. No change there in the last long time now. I'm getting close to having that changed quickly. Taking a backwards view. Back out. The fan is on. I've made a little alteration there. Not as loud as that V8 motor was without the muffler before. Microwave on that side, coffee side on this side here. The office has changed. I'm liking it. My door. I'll go into here. I'll just take a shot of this. Finally cleaned up my closet. Kind of. More functional now, easy to get at stuff. Things are hidden where they're supposed to be, like the vacuum cleaner. And most of the sound should be coming out of this microphone. Okay, we're going to the front door. Turn around. Now most of the sound should be coming in from this microphone. I'll find out shortly. Move the table over this side. Bicycle still in its spot. Moved some stuff around again just a couple hours back. Constantly moving stuff. Moving away from the kitchen. Lots of room to walk around here. For a tiny apartment, I feel like I have a lot of room. But it's taken a lot of moving and juggling stuff around to get it. My window, nighttime, closed for the night. Keyboard is going very quietly. I'm going to move up close to, and the fan is on in the bat room. Yeah. That fan is still loud. I would turn it off, but I want to just hear what the sound is like when there's noise coming from every different direction, including the keyboard. If it'll record stereo this close. Just gonna turn that down a little. And I'll move on. Closet's dark. I have to lighten this up somehow. Studio area. Oh, and the mirrors. I'm moving mirrors about. Well, I think I'll call that quits. Check for sound. Get a view from in here. And there's the offending noise up there, that fan. Listen to it when I turn it off. Oops. Now for some stills. Back to my office. Time for coffee. Yes, I have one more major project. I want to have clear curtains, translucent or transparent, some kind of plastic, just ordinary plastic cut into strips. And we'll shut down.